Typically, you would factory reset an Xbox if it is misbehaving and you want to reconfigure it from scratch, or if you intend to sell or give it away. So in this video, we're going to demonstrate how you factory reset an Xbox Series X or S. In order to perform a factory reset, if we press the Xbox button on our controller, a side menu will be displayed. From this menu, if we scroll through the options, we need to locate Profile and System. In Profile and System, we need to highlight and select Settings. By choosing System, and then within the main panel, we choose Console Info. It is here that we will find the Console Reset option. By selecting Reset Console, we are presented with two options: Reset and Remove Everything, and Reset and Keep My Games and Apps. If you are looking to reset up your Xbox from scratch, but do not want to have to re-download all of your games again, you would use the option Reset and Keep My Games and Apps. However, if you intend to sell or give away your Xbox, you should use the option Reset and Remove Everything. While your Xbox is being returned to its factory defaults, you must not turn off your console or unplug it from the mains, as this could damage its operating system and prevent it from working. Instead, we need to wait until we are presented with the Setup with the Xbox app screen. It is now safe to either power down our Xbox or reset up our console using an existing or new Xbox account.